It's New Food Friday.
What in the world are we gonna try this week?
Is it gonna be good? Is it gonna be bad? We're gonna have to taste it to find out.
Mochi.
Who wants to try some mochi?
Me.
It says made out of red beans, green tea, sesame,
Wow,
taro.
mochi.
They're all different flavors.
Different flavors.
Mochi sweet rice cake, Japanese style assorted flavors.
Mom, I remember those.
I think I've tried something kind of like this before.
Yeah, I probably ate these before with those gummies. Those look like that.
Have you had these before?
Those aren't it.
All right, then you can
Well,
see what
they
the
look
different
like-
flavors look like.
Mom, do you know what they look like? They look like the gummy things with those red gummy things.
I want one of those, Mom.
I want
All right,
one.
first we're gonna try sesame.
Me too.
We have not tried these.
Ooh, and they have black stuff on the inside. We'll see what that is. All right, there's a piece for each of you.
What is this black?
What do you think?
It's squishy. It's very sticky.
That black stuff is maybe it's chocolate. Chocolate.
It tastes like warm rice, kind of.
Kind of tastes like the top of a hamburger bun
And it tastes
with
good.
some peanut butter and chocolate. It tastes like peanut butter, chocolate,
Yeah, it
and
tastes
some
Yeah,
weird
mine
squishy stuff.
Mom,
All right, the next one is the purple one. I'm not sure what flavor it is.
Ooh, hey!
They are sticky.
Yeah, they are. The outsides aren't, but the insides are.
They smell kind of weird. Caramel in the inside. I wouldn't say so.
they're good.
I don't know what flavor, but that is pretty good.
Which one? Do you think the first one had? No, the first one was sesame.
The second one kind of tastes good.
This green one that we'll try next is most likely the green tea.
Let me sit down.
So one of them would be red bean and one would be taro.
How about that one's red bean? Which
Wanna
one's the third one? There's red bean and what? Green tea.
Well, sesame we know. Green tea would be the green one. Here's the green tea.
Try a little bit of the middle one.
It's sticky in the inside.
Hey, it's stuck. That middle is kind of weird.
Yeah.
It's squishy. It's like that pink.
This kind of tastes like a mixture of green
kinda weird.
apple and some
Weird.
other
Mint.
powder stuff.
Tastes like mint. I would say that one's weird.
Yeah, which one's the best so far?
Sesame.
That's me.
Well, probably the
All right, try the white one.
middle.
Mama, I don't like that one.
Do you need a napkin?
This one I think
Go
is-
spit it in the garbage.
This I think
Marmalade
is
thingy.
like really sweet chocolate.
Which one was that? That's the green one you're spitting out in there?
Ew, that one tastes like soap.
Mm-mm.
That one tastes like
No, that's the
watermelon.
white one. And that one tastes like
Watermelon.
vanilla. I
That's
really like that one's
weird.
the best.
Don't smell this.
Try that
I'd say
one.
that one kind of
No.
tastes like a watermelon flavored candy. It's so gross.
But smell it. It smells like soap.
Oh, that's just because they're saying it.
I'll have it if he doesn't want it. They're pretty good.
Doesn't it taste like watermelon candy?
That's my favorite. It's
I like
either.
the sesame one.
This one's pretty good, Em.
Actually, I think mine's the.
Right, I'm gonna spit out the green one and refuse to try the white one. They all have like stuff in the middle.
That white one's really weird.
My favorite's the purple one. Come on.
I like
What
sesame.
am I doing?
My favorite's that one.
Friday? What is this?
So they're all like squishy with stuff in the middle.
That one's my
I'd say
favorite.
my favorites are the sesame and that purple one that my mom just showed you.
The main ingredient in all
I
of
like
them
sesame
is
ones.
maltose and then glutinous rice
Mom.
powder.
Is there any sugar
I just
in
like
them?
sesame.
They do have sugar.
I just like sesame, Mom.
You like the sesame one the best?
Me too.
Okay,
Me
go sit
too.
down and
Me
tell us
too.
about it.
I like the purple one.
No,
I like the
mine.
sesame and then the
Another
purple.
one.
Go sit down.
For me.
Just go sit down and then we'll talk about them. All right, so who likes sesame the best?
I do. I mean, do you like sesame the best? Yes.
Who liked the pink one?
It's pretty good.
I think the pink one was my second favorite.
I like all of them, but that one's my favorite.
I saw some mixed reviews on the green.
I like that one.
That one's
It's fine. I would eat it, but it's not so good.
Yeah, I wouldn't eat it for dessert if it was off. I would eat it if it was offered, yet I wouldn't eat it a lot.
Just eat it because you're hungry.
And how about the white one?
That's pretty good.
I would
That's
not
probably
eat it.
my second favorite.
I would not eat the white one. It is so gross. It tastes like watermelon candy.
It's my
So if you were gonna get candy or a treat, would you pick these or would you pick something different?
Something different.
Depends on what the something different is.
yeah.
If it's donuts or something, I'd probably pick one of those because they would taste better. They're not squishy weird things.
I'll probably choose these or donuts.
What? Donuts wasn't an option.
It's a different thing.
Thumbs
I'd
up.
give two of them a thumbs up, one of them's a thumb in the middle, and one of them
All
a
thumbs up.
thumbs down.
All thumbs
They're all thumbs up.
up.
Bye-bye.
Mom, can you cut